Hi everyone, my name is Ralph George. I'm the founder and creator of Smilefy, and I'm gonna present every day a new feature of Smilefy 3.0. Let's start with the biggest change in the smile simulation. We do have here patient's files, we have a picture, and I start a new smile simulation. In the first screen, the facial analysis is analyzing the face, calculating the proportions, and also placing the smile frame. We can readjust the position of the smile frame, the height and the ratio, the buccal corridor, like this. Also, we do have here the picture rotation. As you can see, you can correct, if you want to, the position of the picture. And in this screen, we don't have any changes actually, but if you generate the smile, now we create 4 smile designs. We create round shapes, open embrasures. We create round shapes, closed embrasures. We create triangular shapes, and we create mixed shapes. You can zoom in. You see, all screens are linked, so you can zoom in, and now you can see the difference between the designs. And of course, that's very important for the patient communication to show the form of the templates of the teeth, to explain closed embrasures, open embrasures. For example, in the bottom left design, square embrasures, round shapes, triangular shapes, and so on. Now you have the option to select the version that your patient likes. For example, I like the triangular shape for this guy because he's very edgy. So we can select, and here we go. We have the start of our smile simulation with the triangular shapes. What I don't like here is, so we need to adjust the shadow of the teeth so that we cover the left canine. That's better. And what we can do here to make the smile look better, we can increase the size of the canine like this. Advanced. Let's see how the result looks like. Good. Rotation posterior, so we can rotate the posteriors a little bit more towards the canines, and that's fine. And here we go. We do have our result. Shapes, smile frame. I'm gonna still widen the canine here. Yes, that's better. And this one also. And let's see the result. Here we go. Again, the smile simulation is pure motivational. We explain and we show visually, right? It's a visual communication. We explain and show the patient what is the advantage of an aesthetic treatment, and we find out what is the patient's preference or expectation. Do you like the square shapes? Do you like triangular shapes? Do you like the edgy smiles? Also, an important aspect of the simulation, important to get the answer, is the smile dominance, right? From the smile harmony option. So we need to check if the patient likes, for example, a dominant smile where the laterals are shorter than the centrals or not lying on the smile curve, right? Or a monotonic smile where the laterals are longer and they lie on the smile curve. Here we go, like this, right? So our patient likes the dominant smile. We display the colors again. We can here select, for example, canines and show the difference between different canines. canine forms, right? Canine templates and canine forms. That's something that looks better. And here we go. We do have the smile simulation for our patient. We show now the before and after. And that's the biggest change in the way we design a smile simulation right now and communicate with the patient. So we have 4 designs done automatically: round shapes, open embrasures, closed round shapes, closed embrasures, triangular shapes with square embrasures, and a mixed design. We communicate with the patient. We find out what kind of smile, what kind of shape the patient likes. We continue, we select this kind of design, we continue, we discuss the dominance of the smile, and that's the result. Patient is motivated. We can go to the 3D smile design, and keep in mind, the patient likes triangular shapes. So we have many shapes that we can select and find out which one matches with the patient's preferences. Plus, we know the laterals need to be shorter because the patient likes a dominant smile.